I'm about to show you how to redeem a Target gift card online, and then I'll show you how to use it to actually buy something. In my demo here, I'll be accessing the site using my PC, but these instructions will also work if you're accessing the site using your phone's web browser. There's also a Target app you can download on your phone, but I won't be covering that in this video, but the process is going to be very similar. First off, if you have a physical gift card like this one, you need to prep it first. This is actually a sealed package with a gift card inside, so you'll need to tear it open. On the back, you should see an opening where the cashier has already torn open part of it in order to scan the barcode. That's a good spot to grab onto and tear open the rest of it. Now take the card and scrape off the silver coating to reveal the numbers you'll have to use to redeem the card. Then head over to Target.com. In order to redeem the card and buy something, you have to create a Target account. To do that, click Sign In on the top right, then Create Account, and then go through the account creation process. If you have an account already and you're not already logged in, go ahead and click Sign In and click Sign In again. You'll know you are signed in if it says your name in the upper right. Go ahead and click on your name, then click on the word account. Scroll down to the gift cards section and click on Add Gift Card on the right. Add the card number and the access number to the fields. If you have a physical gift card, those two numbers were under the scratch-off material. Do not use any of these other numbers that appear on the card. As you type it in, do not add the dashes. It'll add those for you. Once you've typed it in, double check to make sure you've entered it correctly. You don't want to enter it wrong several times in a row because it might give you a timeout. But once you have checked over it, click Add. It'll show an image of the card with the value. The card has now been redeemed and the value has been added to your account. So the next thing to do is to find something to buy within the site. You cannot use that credit to buy things from other websites. Also note, you do not have to use all of the balance at once. You can use some of it now and some of it later. So just select an item or items and add it to your cart. Then go to checkout by clicking on the cart in the upper right. Click on Continue to Checkout. On this page, there is a gift card section, and you have to click the little toggle out to the right to use the gift card toward your purchase. Once you've done that, it'll adjust the total out to the right, and if it's enough to complete your order, select Place Your Order. If it isn't enough, you have to fill out this page with additional payment information, and then select Place Your Order, and that's it. Thanks for watching.